Many of you across West Michigan will be hitting the roads to kick off your summer driving season. And we're watching out for your holiday travel, from your weekend forecast to gas prices. So let's start things off there with 24 Hour News 8's Megan Stemble live in Grand Rapids with more on what you might be paying when you hit the roads. Laura?
Well, Brett, many travelers are planning on compensating for higher fuel costs by cutting in other areas of their travel budgets. But despite those higher prices, AAA expects more people will travel this holiday weekend than last year. According to AAA, more than 1 million Michiganders will travel during the upcoming holiday weekend. Nationwide, that number, 34.9 million drivers on the road. Of Michigan's travelers, 91% will drive by vehicle. That is slightly more than last year. And according to the AAA survey results, the average distance traveled during the holiday is about 792 miles. So gas prices, how do those measure up this year? You're going to find prices at about $4 a gallon, which is significantly higher than last year's $2.81 per gallon. That AAA survey again showing 6 out of 10 of you said rising gas prices would not impact your travel plans. Now this morning we did look up exactly what you can expect to pay in other parts of Michigan, whether you're heading up north or maybe over to the east side of the state. So look for that information coming up at 5:30. We're live in Grand Rapids. I'm Megan Stemble, 24 Hour News 8.
We've got you covered this morning, from filling up your gas tank to your weekend forecast. So let's get straight out to Megan Stemble right now, who's taking a look at where you'll be spending most on a gallon of gas. Megan?
Yeah, before you get out on the roads, we want to give you an idea of where you might expect to spend a little bit more, a little bit less at the pump, depending on where you're headed in the state. According to AAA, 3 of the top 10 Michigan vacation destinations are actually here in West Michigan. And right now you can expect to pay about $3.97 a gallon, according to GasBuddy.com. Now, if you're heading up north, where 6 of the top 10 destination spots are, you're going to pay a little bit more in Mackinac City. They're averaging about $4.05 there. And then a little less in the Traverse City area at about $3.90. If your weekend plans take you way up to the UP, look out up there, because Marquette is seeing prices hanging around $4.12. So if you can avoid filling up there, you might want to do that. On the east side of the state, in Metro Detroit, you're going to be paying $3.94. Now, that AAA survey shows 6 out of 10 of you said that rising gas prices will not impact plans for travel. But those other 4 out there say, you know, it is going to affect my travel plans. I'm going to have to cut from other areas of my budget, or take a little bit shorter trips than I would have been planning to do. We're live in Grand Rapids. I'm Megan Stemble, 24 Hour News 8.
Thank you, Megan. From gas prices to the holiday weekend here, let's check in with Laura Velasquez now to get an idea of what this weekend's going to be like here. Laura.
Okay, Brett, I can't guarantee everybody 100% on the weekend, but we'll give it a B or a B+. So overall, not too bad, considering we're not allowed to just hand pick it and put in our numbers and our precipitation. Take a look right now at the holiday weekend forecast. We're starting this on Saturday in Chicago. Temps only in the 60s. We may make it to 70. I'm just looking at some of the new stuff coming in this morning. Perhaps just a touch warmer. Same thing for Detroit here. Notice we've already got the 70 there for Saturday, but look at Monday's temps, mid to upper 80s. So if you like it hot, it's certainly on the way. And I'll tell you what, starting Sunday, it also turns humid across the southern half of the Great Lakes. You can see those couple of raindrops for Saturday and Sunday, even as we head north toward Houghton Lake. We're going to have a warm front coming through the region, so occasional showers or perhaps a couple of thunderstorms will be coming by from time to time. So have an umbrella with you, especially for Saturday and Sunday, but it won't be raining the whole time. Traverse City, 60s on Saturday. We're close to 80 by Monday, of course, at the beaches, especially with a southwesterly wind. It'll be a little bit cooler there. Mackinac Island, bring along a couple of sweatshirts, but really not too bad, and obviously cooler as we head farther to the north. Pictured Rocks only holding in the 50s, perhaps close to 60 by Monday. And Lake Superior, yeah, temps there only holding in the 30s. So definitely a big difference between the southern half and the northern half, but overall we'll give the weekend a B or a B+.